Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm holding a bunny here because this little thing here has been sleeping in the greenhouse. I'm not so used to holding him, so but anyway, okay. Well, it's my wife's bunny, but anyways, we have to clean out the greenhouse because he's made quite a mess in there, and it's the 3rd of March and it's time to start some seedlings in there and plant some lettuce and other things. So why don't you come in and see how we clean up things and start some seedlings. Okay. So let's hope he enjoys to stay in here in the smaller coop. Ja, du ska få gå ut, Egonen. Du ska få gå ut, kom Egon. Du ska få gå ut och äta. Look at this. Success. Okay, welcome to your new home. Eat some grass, be happy. Well, he seems to enjoy it. Sure does. He's only been eating hay and, kitchen scraps, stuff like that since November, or was it October even? But this clip is not going to be about an old bunny. It's going to be about cleaning out the greenhouse and planting some seedlings. So come on. Let's go inside and have a look what's happened here during the winter. We got a large pile of bunny manure. I guess bunny and rabbit is kind of the same thing. So we got a lot of good manure here, really. First of all, we got to get some tools. An old rake. And a shovel. I guess that will do. I don't know. Oj. A lot of good stuff to be composted. Mix it up with some hay. Should be all right. Okay. So it's a new day, and I've leveled out the ground, so now it's level. Now I just have to remove all the pots and all the things that I've used throughout last summer and last year, so I can take the water hose and just get water everywhere to make the greenhouse clean and prepared for a new season. Okay, come in. An axe. You never know what you can use in a greenhouse. A lot of plastic bags for the bunny. I use some hay in this. Oh. Okay, found an old brush. You can actually remove this. This is simple. We just clean up a little bit. It's always a nice feeling to have everything nice and clean when you start a new season. You don't want to start with a messy greenhouse in spring. At least that's what I think. Just empty those pots. So that's it. Yes, nice and clean. We're at the compost station. Normally I would put quite a lot of compost in there, but since the bunny has been there and there's a lot of poop and pee everywhere, I really don't think we need as much fertilizer as usually. So I'll just take a little bit to make sure there's enough nutrition for the plants to grow in. So I reckon a bucket like that should be enough. Okay. So, first use of the year, and it's all working. It ain't frozen. It's been below 0 degrees tonight, but it's okay. I just go through it thoroughly. This is such a nice feeling. Get it all cleaned up. Bit at the windows. Oh. I got an assistant today. And another one. Varsågod. Oj. Oj. Titta. Ja, jag vet att du vill städa just, va? Men pappa måste göra färdigt här. Vi måste städa vid dörren lite, ser ni det? Oj, vad skitigt, ser ni? So lastly, I just go through the soil thoroughly to make it all wet, and for the compost to decompose even further. And since I will plant some seedlings, I want it to be wet before I put the seeds in, so I won't have to water afterwards, because then the seeds will just float around like little boats, and we don't want that. So, as I said before, we will start some seeds in here. So I got some iceberg lettuce that I will just plant on the ground. Simple as that. Just make a line here. Yes. Oh, well, you know, I'd need the compost to be more broken down, but it is what it is. It is what it is. We just take some. We'll see how many survive. I don't count that everyone will survive due to the conditions. Oh. Oh. Okay. Put some, cover it like this. Okay. Okay. And we're all finished, and that's all for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and that I wish you good luck with your own cleaning of your equipment and your greenhouses, and I wish you a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.